Hello friends, I have started the series of Adobe Animate Essential Training. So this is the first video, and here in this video I will show you how to set up a new document in Adobe Animate. So we will go to create new. Here you can see when you open the Adobe Animate, so you can click on create new or file new, or you can just press Ctrl plus N. Ctrl plus N, also you can use the keyboard shortcut key to create a new document in Adobe Animate. Now these are different tabs including character animation, social, game, education, ads, web and advanced. So if you are going to create a character animation, so we can see some dimensions in width and height. You can see different dimensions has been defined by Adobe by default. So full HD, so full HD 1920 width and height is 1080 pixels. So we can select this if we want, or if we are going to create something in 4K, then we can select 4K or the standard dimension is this. If you are going to create something for social media, like for Facebook, like Twitter, you can see, and for YouTube you can see different. For even you are going to create a video animation for for 4K HD for YouTube, so you can select these dimensions. If I select 4K, see this will change, and frame rate is 30 frames per second. If we go to character animation, so this is also showing frame rate. It's up to you, you can select 15, 18, as much as frame you want, but usually typically in normal videos 24 to 30 frames people use. And if we are going to create something regarding games, like for Android or for web, so we can select web dimensions, and we can also select some dimensions according to Android and iPhone devices like iPhone 4, iPhone 5. For educational purpose, if you are going to create something, so we can see these dimensions. If you are going to create like ads ads like Google ads, if you have seen in websites, like they are in rectangle or in dimension, or horizontal, vertical dimensions like 300 by 300 or 728 by 900. See this one. So these are different skyscraper, half page ad, large rectangle, these banner sizes, smartphone sizes. So if you are going to create ads for Google ads or for any other ads platform, so you can use these dimensions. And for web, like if you are going to create for websites, so you can use this one. And see, in all these tabs, units is pixels, because this will save for web. And if you have experience in Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, so in the normal dimensions tabs we can change units, but here this will stay in pixels except of advanced tab. So if we go to advanced tab, now here we can select some HTML5 canvas and some other, like you can see these one. So pixels, centimeters, inches, and these units also we can use. So for instance, if we create like full HD and character animation, and the platform type is action script 3.0, you can select, and you can also select HTML5 canvas. If you are here, for example, HTML5 canvas, so this will directly create HTML5 canvas based assets, add interactivity and publish web content. So right now we will select like full HD and just click on create. So this has been created, and this is, you can see scene, and here we can see fit in window. We can use this view tab. So This is called our stage, and here you can see the document settings in properties. For instance, when you open first time and you create a new document, as you have learned now how to create a new document. So first time, the panels you will see assets, properties, and these are different panels. So if you click on properties tab panel, so still we have options like we can change width and height, we can change the dimension as per our requirement. Maybe we have changed our mind to work in a different dimension after creating the document. So still we have option like if I want 2500 by 1500, so I can apply this. Now this is 2500 by 1500. You can see I applied both values according to my requirements, but if you want like this one log width and height values together, so this will change proportionally. Like if I check this option, and now if I change like 1920, so it will be 1080 by default. See, sorry, 1152. So if I select 1280, so it's 768. So by default, whatever the proportional dimension, so height will be accordingly to the width. If we check this option, and stage color, if you want, you can change. You can change from here. And if you want to change frames, see frames, 30 frames here you can see 1 2 3 4 5, and when it goes to 30 frames, it is 1 second, because we selected 30 frames per second. But for instance, if I change it to 15, now it should show on 15, but it's still on 30. So what I can do, I can go to window and timeline, I can hide for a second, and again I will show this one. So you can see now 1 second is on 15 frames. So after in 1 second there are 15 frames, then again 15 frames, so 30, now it's 2 seconds, then 45 3 seconds, then 60 4 seconds, then 75 5 seconds, and then so on. So still we have properties panel to change the document settings in our stage in our document. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot in this video, like how to create, how to set up a new document in Adobe Animate according to your requirements. So you can start work in Adobe Animate, and you can design, you can build a lot of professional assets for your projects, for your own projects, and for your clients' projects. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Also share the video on your social media accounts so the people can also learn and they can also increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.